Anping Dongjie Wire Mesh Products Company Limited is located in Anping, Hebei Province. Globally renowned as the hometown of wire mesh, just an hour's drive from Beijing. Founded in 1996, Dongjie Wire Mesh has dedicated itself to wire mesh and metal stamping for over 2 decades. With exquisite craftsmanship, we refine our technologies, and with unwavering commitment, we perfect our services, evolving into a modern enterprise integrating R&D, manufacturing, sales, and customized solutions. Dongjie Wire Mesh specializes in the deep processing of metal products, including expanded metal mesh, perforated metal mesh, epoxy wire mesh, filter end caps, and further processed wire-ish. Our product range spans core categories across diverse series. Expanded metal mesh, perforated metal mesh, stainless steel wire mesh, welded wire mesh, window screen, and more. Deep processed products, mesh cylinders, support brackets, metal stamping parts, etc. Filter products, filter end caps, filter mesh, epoxy-coated mesh, filter screens, and others. We supply premium metal products for a wide range of applications, including industrial and agricultural production, architectural decoration, and industrial filtration. Dongjie Wire Mesh is ISO 9001 certified. Our standardized workflows ensure superior products and reliable services. Our company operates a modern production facility spanning over 20,000 square meters. It houses for standardized production workshops equipped with automated production lines and staffed by more than 100 seasoned technical specialists. Rigorous process control is applied at every stage to consistently deliver premium finished product quality across the board. Our expanded metal mesh workshop is fitted with fully automatic stretching, punching, and forming machines that handle everything from raw material preparation and stretching to finished product inspection. Supported by modern machinery and standardized workflows, we ensure consistent tensile strength, dimensional accuracy, and long-term structural durability. The perforated metal workshop is equipped with CNC punching, cutting, and forming equipment to carry out sheet pre-treatment, precision perforation, packaging, and warehousing. Standard operating procedures guarantee precise hole sizing and smooth, highly durable sheet surfaces. Our stamping parts workshop features CNC stamping machinery and custom dies for raw material cutting, stamp forming, finishing, and quality testing. Refined process control delivers steady, dependable performance in product strength, dimensional tolerance, and fitting compatibility. The molds made and deep processing workshop is equipped with CNC machining centers, engraving machines, and surface treatment equipment for die fabrication, precision trimming, and product deep processing. The combination of high-precision equipment and stringent operational steps ensures ultra-precise dies and durable end products. Upholding the belief that quality wins markets, management creates profits. We bring every product to life with meticulous craftsmanship. Our multilingual team serves global clients, while our specialists deliver one-stop customized solutions. We actively participate in global exhibitions to explore international markets. Our products are exported to over 100 countries and regions, with more than 1,000 global partners served to date. Anping Dongjie Wire Mesh Products Company Limited sincerely welcomes partners across all industries to cooperate hand in hand, pursue shared growth, and build a brilliant future.